Hi everyone, so here we are doing an unboxing again for HP. So not sponsored in any way, this is just kit that we get in, and when it's interesting I'll try to kind of like put it up and get your opinions. If I can answer any questions along the way I will. If I can't, then I just tend to ignore them, so if I'm ignoring you it's because I don't know the answer. I'm sorry about that, but please subscribe to me. So this today is the all-in-one HP business machine. It's the G3 Eliteone 800. So we've had these before. This particular model is a lot slimmer. This is a non-touch model. So anyway, without further ado, let's open it up and see what we've got inside the box. So first of all, we've got a stand. It's a nice hefty weight to it. Obviously it's going to need to be weighty because it's got to hold it all up. Okay, so it's solid. I wouldn't say it's aluminium, but it's definitely solid, and it's got a nice shimmer to it. It's definitely not wood. Thanks for the comment at the back. So yeah, that's the stand, part of the stand. So let's get the rest of it out. We've got the power cable there. It's just a kettle lead. And here we have HP mouse. It's fairly lightweight, just a standard business HP mouse that they put with them. And that's the cover for the back to cover up the cables. So the next part, right, up, chuck it over there. Right, let's get rid of that as well. Bottom of the stand. So this Mac has got the Intel Core i5. I think it's a Kaby Lake 6500. Is that a Kaby Lake? I'm not sure.
6 is Skylake.
It might be Skylake or Kaby Lake. I'm not sure.
Haswell maybe? I don't know.
It's not Haswell anyway.
Skylake.
Right, let's pop this one out. It's quite a nice big screen, 23-inch screen. I think I've got everything out of the box except for the keyboard. We'll just leave the keyboard in there for a minute. Okay. And we're going to attempt putting it together and everything. So, take a closer look at this. So it's Bang & Olufsen speaker, which is kind of like weird for a business machine. So, but like I say, it can be used for home use as well. So we've got the nice Eliteone badge there, and the speaker grill is particularly nice. And this is, I think it's like a metal coated plastic. So it feels cold to the touch, but I don't think it is actually metal. So again, this is a non-touch screen. I don't think it's a fingerprint magnet, which is quite nice. Right, let's get the rest of it out anyway, because there's something weird about this one, or unique, should I say, design-wise. And you won't see it, no one really explains it, so I'm kind of like keen to show you guys, is that right on top here, and you'll see in all the posters and pictures that we got, got this lift up part here, which is the webcam. So no more sticking a plaster or a band-aid over the camera. You can just pop it down and it's hidden, okay? But you'll notice in the HP pictures, it's always up, and it kind of like looks strange. They don't really explain that it actually goes down, so that's kind of like nice to point out, I think. So while we've got it out, let's just pop it down on its front, and let's take a look at what we've got underneath here. So we've got the stand that's going to clip in here, so let's get that in while we've got it here. So that just clips in nicely, very easy to fit. Right at the bottom here, just under this arm now, we've got two USB 3 ports. We've got a LAN port. We've got the power in, the kettle lead. We've got 2 more USB 3s. We've got HDMI there, and we've got a display port. And right here at the bottom, we've got a USB-C port, which kind of like points to that being Kaby Lake. And we also got an SD slot and 2 more USBs there. Okay, quite handy to have. Here Looks like there's a space for a DVD option. This one hasn't got it. Okay, so let's get this bottom plate on. Let's take a better look at this one. We'll actually turn it on for you guys as well to see what it's like. This one's got a 256 gigabyte SSD installed, and that's it. Stands on. So the cable tidier, that just slips on the back there, and oh, there's two little latches on the back. I'm not actually going to put that on because I need to put a power cable in there. So let's pop that up right like that. And you can see that we've got a nice swivel, and it turns with minimum effort, but not enough. If you knocked it, it's not going to turn. You have to give it a little twist and it turns fine. Also, benefits from turning this way. So it must go further up, because it does. Right there. That's what you need to do for that. You have to move it out, and then you can move it back in. So you can have it in portrait mode. What I like about that is that for a countertop, advertising, something like that, I think it's quite smart. Bit of digital signage, maybe. Okay, let's just twist that back, and let's get it on. Oh, I'm interested to know what Cortana might sound like coming out of these speakers. I wonder if she's more manly. Right, on button, I think it's just located underneath here in the middle. Nope, must be on the side here. Nope. I love it. There we go, that side. So I think I've pressed it on. If we've got power. No power. So maybe my cable's...
Come on.
Oh, it's on. So that's how silent it is, because I can't actually hear it. Let's move it to one side here. So obviously not touchscreen, like I said. This screen, let's pop that in. You can pop it right down, really nice and flat, like that. So it looks just like a monitor now, but obviously everything's built in, being an all-in-one. I think it's a really nice design. It's even though it's in German. This stock's come out of Germany actually, but you can select United Kingdom, but again not touchscreen, so I have to connect a mouse up. Yeah, no sound at the moment. I suspect I'm going to have to plug in a mouse. So let's just plug that in the underneath one here, and I can see it this side. English, United Kingdom, yes. Perfect. Region, we're in the United Kingdom. Yes. United Kingdom, yes. Skip. It's funny, you can only accept it, you can't unaccept it. Skip for now, don't want to connect. Interestingly then, it didn't actually come up with anything Wi-Fi. So I don't think it's got built-in Wi-Fi, you know. So I haven't really checked the specs for that, but I suspect it hasn't got Wi-Fi built into it, which is quite a strange one for an all-in-one. But that might be just the business side of things, you know, business all-in-one. Let me just get a LAN cable so I can connect it up. And let's get a keyboard on it. Let me unboxing one. So normally you have these tucked in the back, hiding all the cables, but I'm just setting out for you guys right now. I'm just going to set up a generic user. Don't want a password. Gotta love Windows 10 because you've got these options here. Don't want to register it, so you just press next. Share my contact details. I didn't actually put any in, so next. Now, strangely, I haven't seen a Windows sticker on here. I know it comes with Windows, and I suspect it's Windows 10 Pro, but it doesn't actually state whether or not it's Windows 10 Pro. I do like the design of that. I'm not paranoid. I'd never put anything over a camera anyway, and it does have a microphone built in, I think. Guys, can I ask your opinion? What do you think? Anybody interested on this machine?
If it doesn't game, I'm not interested.
No gaming, not interested. Lisa, come over, have a look. See what you think. You might like it. It's the grill, really, for me. I think I would love to be able to start listening to see how loud this speaker goes. This is going to take a few minutes, but I'm not going to blabber on. Just give it another twist. Of course, when I'm digging it right into the desktop here. You've got to really kind of like pull it out that way. Oh, it made a noise. Oh, we're up and running. Let's twist it back. Okay. I think that was quite quick, really, for a new computer being on. Take ownership by registering it. Everybody wants to register. I don't register anything. First thing I would do is open Edge to download Google Chrome. Don't like Edge, prefer Google Chrome. Right, let's close that. Let's open this, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of like do a sound test, I suppose. That's why I don't like Microsoft Edge, because you start typing and then you lose it. Royalty-free music, just do a quick search. I'll put them in the credits, whoever I'm doing here. I like using bend sound. You can grab something, let's go with something electronica, shall we? Let's go with this one here, dubstep. Let's have a listen. Let's turn it up. Sounds like this is coming out of one side, but I think it is coming out of both sides. Let's go sci-fi. I would say it doesn't really compare to an iMac sound, which isn't great either. Because obviously with the slim designs, you haven't got a lot of room to put big speakers in. And I'm confused with Bang & Olufsen putting their name to all this stuff, because I've seen some really bad sound coming from Bang & Olufsen speakers within the small, thin laptops. That's not impressive sound to me. There's nothing impressive about that. It's okay. It is what it is. It's better than having speakers, desktop speakers, if you're not listening to music. If you're listening to music, you should go out and buy speakers. Okay, any questions? Please add a comment and I'll see if I can answer any of your questions. If you would like to subscribe, that always benefits me. If you didn't like the video, please dislike it. If you liked it, please like it. And I'll see you soon. Bye.